makes you powerful.
I used to drive with anger when I'd speak, proclaim and hate with ease. Those words still linger on the inside of my cheek, barred in forever, making stain on my teeth, burrowing guilt down in the bowels of the beast, still waiting the day of their release, when they can finally breathe the fresh air of the breeze. And that's when you and the evil meet, like an old man at Walmart, ready to greet you. He's got an outstretched hand and a smile on his face. And he grabs you and stabs your back in the embrace, twisting a knife between your vertebrae, leaving you a carcass with a still beating heart. You're deceased now. Welcome to hell. Go on and grab a cart. We've got everything you don't need here.
Nothing but greatness in the late night. No time to catch yourself in a moment. Moving through thoughts and emotion, shifting swiftly to sift through the sea of emotions. Ego set aside as the moon sides of the sky. A star I see facing the stage lights. Should I write the perfect lines in case of the time to thank mom? I contemplate, is it worth it as I'm counting down the seconds? In the distance, the sentence that I spell out seems to stand corrected. I got a full tank, I might as well hit the pedal to the metal till nothing's left. I catch my breath, I'm moving fast, nothing lasts.